Fight the winter cold with Chinese medicine. Winter is upon us, meaning it's time to start thinking about how to ward off colds. While standard Western medicine helps treat colds, Chinese medicine has a long history of being used for this purpose. Let's look at 3 of the most common traditional Chinese medicines that are effective in treating the common cold. Ginger root. Ginger root is a popular ingredient in many traditional Chinese remedies due to its antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. It can help reduce congestion and alleviate pain while also boosting immunity. One review on the pharmacologic properties of ginger confirmed by research lists preventing a cold, sore throat, laryngitis, and congestion as just a few of the many health benefits of ginger. Licorice root. Licorice root has been used in Chinese medicine for centuries to treat respiratory illnesses such as bronchitis, asthma, and the common cold. Research on licorice root shows promise in reducing symptoms associated with upper respiratory infections such as coughs and sore throats. Licorice root helps fight off infection by strengthening your immune system and reducing inflammation. According to a review of herbal remedies for treating influenza A, these properties allow it, licorice, to be an important supplement for flu prevention. Garlic. Garlic is well known for having multiple medicinal properties. It has been used for hundreds of years as a natural medicine for treating parasites and fungal and viral infections. A collection of research on garlic's effectiveness against colds found that a study evaluating a garlic supplement on cold incidence and duration found that fewer colds were reported by those taking the supplements, and those that did have cold symptoms reported a shorter duration. This means garlic can help prevent colds and fight them if you catch one. Chinese medicines like these have been used for centuries as effective treatments for common ailments like colds. These 3 herbs are particularly beneficial in fighting off wintertime colds. Each one offers different benefits, such as reducing congestion and boosting immunity while shortening the duration of cold symptoms. Incorporating these herbs into your diet can help you stay healthy this winter.